So this is what I'm doing it right now. Maybe you guys figure out, but this is tight. Look, right, half. That's it. I don't have to tight too much. So this is tight. That's it. This is tight. Where the tool stop, you just stop it, because they have a rubber washer in it. So if you tight too much, that will be in a problem. That's it. So the last one and second last, sorry. So that will be let me finish it and then make it rest up. Okay, so everything looked good. Now I'm starting the car. Let him do its job. If it's neat, I'll put it on jack and let's see what exactly, if it's leaking or anything. Let me see. Okay, now compressor is doing their job. The only thing is like it has to first make a air in the reservoir and then it will start lifting it. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put it down this. So the compressor is doing their job. Now it's lifting the car, and it will take time because it's so it's almost on its height, so hopefully it will stop. Okay, so automatically it's hardly take maybe 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds to fill up everything. Took me like 15 minutes to release that pressure. So I didn't put anything like a jack or anything on underneath which is required, but within a 30 seconds or maybe 45 seconds it's came to its own actual height what it is required, and it's look beautiful. So let me check the codes and let's see what exactly is coming. If I need adjustments or anything, then I'll do manually, but I don't think so we need to do anything because it came right away on their height. Even it was making issue on the previous block, but this is fast. So let me check codes and let's see. So I'm not getting any hissing noise or leaking noise, so it's done. And now I'm fixing back, so I have to put it back and over here under this thing and start backing. So wait, I'll finish it.